Almost 98% of men don't know that eating junk food increases the risk of ED. Foods high in salt and fat, like burgers, pizza, and soda, are not only bad for your health, but also the #1 cause of ED. Good blood flow to the penis is important for erections. But when cholesterol is high, blood flow becomes a problem, causing erection issues. And junk food is a major cause of high cholesterol. Not just that, junk food can also lead to obesity, which increases the risk of ED. This can create issues in marriage, as men with ED are unable to satisfy their wives. Giving up junk food might be tough, but improving your performance is now easy with ZeroHarm's Back to Teens. It's a plant-based scientific solution for low testosterone levels. It contains Maca Root, which helps your body fight stress and anxiety, boosting your mood. Horny goat weed increases blood flow to your genital area, and Safed Musli boosts testosterone production, enhancing your performance. You'll see a difference in just 1 week, and in 3 months, your stress levels will be completely under control, allowing you to satisfy your partner for longer. The best part? It's nano-formulated, so your body absorbs it 3 times faster. Over 150,000 couples have seen improvements in their relationships using it. Don't wait. Bring Back to Teens home today and see the difference for yourself.